Hello everyone, I am Gautam Yadav from Education Department, Central University of Tamil Nadu. As the community awareness field work, I select the topic conservation of natural resources. As the human population is growing continuously, the consumption of natural resources is also increasing with the increasing of industrialization and urbanization of the modern human society. The usage of these resources in the increasing day by day. If these resources are not properly managed and used, there will be the serious scarcity of these resources. So we need to conserve the natural resources. Conservation is the proper management of natural resources to prevent exploitation, destruction, and degradation. Why we conserve natural resources? As we know that nature provides all the basic needs which are necessary to us, but we are over exploiting, overusing these resources. If we go on over exploiting the nature, more there will be no more resources available in the future. So there is urgent need to conserve the nature. Here are some needs: to maintain ecological balance for supporting the life, to preserve different types of biodiversity, to preserve natural resources for the present and future generation. What is calling for our attention? India is the country is blessed with rich natural resources, but from our research on the uses of natural resources in our country, we found that the resources are depleting every day. For the example, forest and arable land is being depleted due to urbanization, overpopulation, and overconsumption. Wildlife resources are being lost due to illegal poaching, hunting, and industrialization. Water resources are being contaminated and drying up due to industrialization. Conservation of natural resources in India. So I'm little bit talk about this thing. The government of India has undertaken many measures for the conservation of natural resources. Regulation and reform for proper housing and infrastructure development to avoid the land acquisition problem. Mass media public service messages to educate the people on importance of conservation of resources. Increase wildlife and forest reserves in the country. Scheme to do proper inventory of the resources and monitor the changes in the environment. Various project schemes that promote conservation of resources. As a responsible citizen, we should mainly conserve soil, water, biodiversity, and forest. So here we will talk about conservation of soil. Conservation measures should aim to preventing or least minimizing the soil loss in order to do proper land utilization coupled with agriculture practice should be adopted. Some method of conservation soil: crop rotation, alternately growing in cereal and legume in the same field will not only increase the yield but also increase the fertility of soil. They also help in checking soil erosion. Mulching, interculturing. So here you can see mulching. Interculturing operation will kill weeds. Soil mulches help the plant to rotate firmly in the soil. Strip farming. This is agriculture practice of growing plant in suitable strip in the field. This is of following type: dry farming. This may be the practice where the rainfall is low, indefinite, and variable. In dry farming method, only crops are grown that sustain even very low rainfall. Now, conservation of water. A step to conserve water is a step to secure the future. The most essential among all the natural resources on the earth is water. A drop of water is worth more than the sack of gold for the thirsty man. Water conservation is the what that can reduce the scarcity of water. It aims to improve the efficiency of use of water and reduce the losses and waste. Tips to save water: avoid leakage of water from the taps. Turn the tap off when not in use, especially when you brush your teeth or wash clothes. Rainwater harvesting is another method. Conserve water. The water supply should be limited in those areas which enjoy the unlimited water supply. Technique, Technical method of conserve water: rainwater harvesting, historical water bodies, ponds. So here we can see water being wasted in India. Like some people keep open the tap and they won't close the tap. So it water is continuously running and it being wasted. Conservation of biodiversity. Biodiversity provides a basis for the livelihood, culture, and economics of several hundred millions of people, including farmers, fisher folk, forest dwellers, and artisans. It provides a raw material for the diverse medicinal and health care system. It also provides a genetic base for the continuous upgradation of agriculture, fisheries, and for critical discoveries in scientific, industrial, and other sectors. The rapid erosion of biodiversity in the last few decades has impacted on the health of the land, water bodies, and the people. Measures to conserve biodiversity: legalization, former policies and programs for the conservation and sustainable utilization of biodiversity resources dates back several decades. In situ conserving the animals and plants in their natural habitat is known as in situ conservation. Ex situ conservation. Ex situ conservation of plant and animals preserve, protect them away from their natural habitat. Recording indigenous knowledge. The lives of local communities are closely interwoven with their environment and are dependent upon their immediate resource for meeting their needs, etc. Here you can see some picture of biodiversity. It contains flora, fauna, all the types of living and non-living things in the biodiversity. So here we can also see the how illegal poaching being done by the people. Conservation of forests. Keeping in the view of importance of forests in our life, the people all over the world have stopped unnecessary deforestation. Our government has also made laws to prevent unnecessary felling of trees. Government had decided to declare certain forests as the protected area. This protected area called reserve or wildlife sanctuaries. Here no one is allowed to hunt animals. There are about 150 wildlife sanctuaries in India. People come from all over the world so see these sanctuaries. They consist of some of the most beautiful and rare animals. Method of conserving forest. For the conservation of forest, following steps can be taken. Conservation of forest is a national problem, so it must be tackled with the perfect coordination between the forest department and other department. People participation in the conservation of forest is vital important, so we must get them involved in this national task. The cutting of tree in the forest must be stopped at all costs. Afforestation or special program like One Monster should be launched on a grand scale. Celebration of all function festivals should be preceded with the tree plantation. Cutting of timber and other forest products should be restricted. Grassland should be regenerated. Forest Conservation Act 1980 should be strictly implemented to check deforestation. Several centers of excellence have been set up and awards should be instituted. Thank you.